Hi, I am Manahil, and in this video we are going to learn about the 5 generations of computer. The term generation means a change in technology where a computer is being used. At first, this term was used to differentiate between varying hardware technologies, but nowadays it includes both the hardware and software which make an entire computer system. We had the first generation of computer between 1945 to 1956, which uses thousands of vacuum tubes, due to which it created a lot of heat and consumed a lot of electricity. These computers were larger in size and cost a lot of money. Punch cards and paper tapes were used to program it in machine language. However, to perform operations, they could only solve one problem at a time, due to which it takes days or even weeks to set up a new problem. The UNIVAC and NIAC are the examples of first-generation computing devices. Transistor replaced vacuum tubes in the second generation of computers, which opted from 1956 to 1963. Computers became smaller, quicker, cheaper, and more dependable. As a result of this, although they were more energy efficient, they still produced a lot of heat. They were also the first computers to store instructions in memory using the magnetic core technology. The program used machine and assembly languages. IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604 are some examples of second-generation computing devices. Between 1964 and 1971, integrated circuits replaced transistors in the third generation of computers. This resulted in computers that were smaller, quicker, and less expensive than previous models. They possessed a keyboard, monitors, and even an operating system that allowed them to execute many programs at the same time. Because they were smaller and less expensive. IBM 360 series (PDP) are some examples of the third generation computing devices. Microprocessors, which used VLSI, very large scale integration technology, to contain thousands of ICs on a single silicon chip, were introduced in 1971, kicking off the fourth generation of computers. As a result, the computers were compact and portable. They were less expensive and could work at a faster rate with more accuracy and dependability. They have more memory, which resulted to explosion in the creation of graphical user interface software, application software, and portable devices. IBM 4341, DEC-10 are some examples of fourth generation computing devices. Artificial intelligence will power the fifth generation computers, which are still in their infancy. They will use ULSI, which is also known as ultra large scale integration technology, to make it even quicker, cheaper, and more self-sufficient. When quantum and nanotechnology are combined, next generation computers will become the intelligent computers. Honeywell 400, IBM 7094 are some examples of fifth generation computer devices.